Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy GMC's 2011 to 2018 Silverado and Sierra 2500 HD. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the cab from the frame. Begin by identifying which plates you will need to remove. Our part features perforated plates to fit over your existing center cab mount, exhaust hanger, center frame crossmember, and torsion bar crossmember. If you decide to keep your cab mount or exhaust hanger, remove the necessary plates at this time. If not, cut off the factory mount or exhaust hanger and any obstructions in the work area. Next, remove the plates where your two crossmembers will be located. Step 3. After removing all of your plates, take a pair of pliers and pry out the perforated section on the front of your frame section. This will allow your frame section to fit over the frame rail while sliding on your part. Draw a line approximately 1/4 of an inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. Grind the frame for your rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Take your replacement center frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place with a mallet. You can use C-clamps to secure a part, ensuring a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your center frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. If you decide to remove your center cab mount, we show you how to reinstall it with the installation videos on our YouTube channel. If you cut off your exhaust hanger, you may weld it back on at this time. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your cab. Then you're done!